This video is to learn how to initially set up for a web store. So at the very top you have these tabs, and you're going to click on Web Store and Create New. So on this page you're going to always choose this first one that just says Store and click Create. So here we'll just fill out all of the information for our store. In this case, it will be Lee Contracting. And then make sure that this bottom store directory is the correct name, and then just click Next. We want to make it public. This store is set up so that they can talk directly to us, and so we'll just leave it as the organization is Bearskins. Here we can upload their logo. For now we're just going to skip this upload icon, but it would be, I will go back and create a saw blade to go up there. So we need to find something out of their logo that we can put for their store icon. He won't need a designer in his store because he just wants his logo on his shirts. So this is asking if they're just ordering just one shirt off, but for this is a company, and so we want them to place an order, and then we'll give them an expected production date. So this is not. So we're going to give him his date is going to be about 4 weeks out. 3 weeks out. And we don't need to add shipping for beef because he's local and he will pick up his order or it will be delivered. Now I know a lot of these things can change as we go along, but these are kind of some of the ways we'll make decisions. So we want to create a pickup location. So here, instead of on demand, we'll set up a pickup date range, so he has a clue of when to pick it up, and that will be due from the 7th to the 14th. And he can pick up from 9 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Mountain Standard. Alright, so since he is a regular customer, he can arrange to pay later. And we've disabled anything else here. And we don't want to collect any additional information. And there's really nobody else that needs to stay in the loop right now. We can go ahead and put Bearskins t-shirts here and go from there. We just accept this. And then we've got the store, the initial store set up.